Skypark, Parking America, providing a simple parking solution for a shrinking planet. Cars are a reality in most cities and towns throughout the world, representing the most common means of transportation. To avoid total congestion and chaos caused by parked cars in city centers, local authorities have been forced to offer motorists alternatives to street parking. Multi-level parking structures are the most common alternative. Let's watch this driver parking his car in a multi-storied parking structure. The average time this takes is about 5 minutes. The engine is running this entire time. The evacuation of toxic emissions from the car park demands extremely powerful and costly, energy-intensive ventilation systems. In addition to essential easy access to and from parked cars, there's the necessity of a well-designed system of stairs, of entry and exit routes, and elevators. Good illumination is needed, even if this doesn't keep dishonest people away from parked cars. Stolen cars and thefts from unprotected parked cars is unfortunately far too prevalent nowadays. So, are multi-storied parking structures the real solution to modern parking problems? Or is there a better alternative? The answer to that question is quite simply, yes. There is a much better alternative. It's called Skypark, the fully automated parking garage. Skypark is a safe and secure parking garage that is cost-efficient, requires a minimum of space, maintenance, energy consumption, and staffing, besides being a far more environmentally friendly parking alternative than conventional garages. Skypark garages have been designed and developed with typical Swedish ingenuity, with detail to quality and function for a high degree of reliability. With Skypark, parking a car is a fully automatic cycle controlled by a central computer. Parking has never been more simple, convenient, and hassle-free. The driver parks his car in an entry module, switches off the engine, and leaves it. Then a computer and highly reliable modern technology take over. The entry module and the car are checked by a light sensor to make sure no one is remaining in the area. The driver takes a parking receipt from a dispenser, the outer door closes, and then a computerized robotic transport system picks up the car and moves it damage-free to the nearest theft and damage-proof parking space. Since the vehicle transport system lifts the car by its wheels, it makes no difference if the car's parking brake is on or the car has been left in gear or in park. Retrieving the car is just as simple. The computer reads the parking receipt. The car is then found and retrieved by the robotic vehicle transport system and delivered to the exit module. As soon as the driver has paid the parking fee, the exit door opens and the driver can drive off. The car retrieval cycle typically takes less than 1 minute. Peak hour parking and retrieval demands can be met with Skypark's flexible design. There are no ramps or tight corners to negotiate, and no reversing out of narrow parking slots. For disabled drivers, the advantages are obvious. Hence, Skyparks are making a valuable contribution towards solving major parking problems by offering sensible car parks that demand a minimum of ground space and construction volume. For instance, a Skypark garage can save up to 58% of the construction volume and 63% of the ground area when compared to conventional multi-storied car park buildings. Both these savings can significantly reduce costs. Placing Skypark above or below ground has no effect on its function or efficiency. Ingenious use of the bolted construction principle enables fast construction and simple expansion, division, or relocation of a Skypark garage. Apart from the low investment cost per car space, Skypark offers no elaborate lighting systems, no impediment to landscapes, and no noise or pollution. Operating costs for a Skypark are much lower than those for a conventional parking garage. One employee can handle all security and customer service matters. There are no garage floors to keep clean. All parking spaces and entry and exit modules are cleaned automatically by high-pressure jets. No sophisticated ventilation systems are required, as no cars actually drive into the garage. The total absence of people inside the Skypark eliminates the need for elevators and interior illumination. This fact also makes Skypark garages theft-free, which ultimately lowers insurance premiums. Automatic handling of cars makes Skypark garages virtually emission and noise-free, and therefore highly suited for densely populated areas. Energy efficiency also enables Skyparks to contribute significantly towards society's overall energy savings philosophies. Skypark systems demonstrate flexible solutions that can create a new foundation for the development of tomorrow's vehicle parking infrastructure. Also, Skypark's exterior can be designed to be attractive and blend in well with other neighboring buildings. No matter what you think about cars and parking in and around cities and town centers, the reality of traffic density today and tomorrow will place entirely new demands on municipal parking policies in built-up areas. New demands with regard to the availability of more parking spaces, protection of the environment, economy, and security. Demands that can be satisfied by the state-of-the-art comfort, convenience, and reliability of Skypark, now and tomorrow.